Hi everyone, just thought I'd make a quick video on how the season's going so far. I've only just started. I've had a bit of bad luck so far, but yeah, we'll get straight into it. This pair, red agate mosaics, they've done nothing. I've even put another nest pan in just in case I didn't like this one, but it's not going to open. Nothing yet, just a bit of poo in there, so I should take that one off. The second pair, sadly I lost the hen. No idea why. She was completely fine, then just came in one morning and she was just on the floor dead. Obviously I couldn't find another cockbird for her, so I moved the cockbird on. Pair of budgies have two chicks, as you can see. Just put it up for you. They're getting their feathers now as well, so some good news there. This pair, she has 4 eggs. That's the cock. I gave them her back yesterday, so we'll find out in a few days whether they're fertile or not. This pair here, that's the hen, and that's the cock. She laid her first egg today, and then her eggs are in here, right there. This pair, the hen's building, so to start for them. Same with this pair, the hen's building a nest. That's the cock, the hen to the right. Pair down here, more intensive ivory hen to a red cock. See, she's built a nest. That's them. This pair, I'm not sure what she's done to her foot. It looks like she's sprained it. So I'm gonna take the nest and that out and just leave her to recover. But yeah, that's that pair. This pair, nothing as of from yet. Cockbirds. I do like the cockbird on this one. That's that pair. And then this pair here. Again, cockbirds, a really nice size and a great colour. And to a non-intensive ivory hen. And then they've got a nest also, but no eggs as of from yet, so hopefully soon. So we've had a good start and a bad start to the season. As you all know, the breeding season is always ups and always downs, so yeah, but I wish you all well and good luck for your season. Take care, bye bye.